Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to use the command line to create users in Windows 10 and even join a new user to the administrator group. Okay, so in Windows 10 you can search this command. You can search command line. Then in the search result, you right click your command line and run as administrator. Okay, now you have this command line is under administrator, so we just reproduce the command net user test admin. So we add a test admin, and then we use this to change the password. So now you set the password for this user. Now you add this user to the administrators group. Okay, and now you can verify this user is in. So we can see type. So we can see how many administrators in this group. Okay, thanks for watching.